It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, May 19th. I'm James Spann. Very warm, very muggy today. A few scattered storms. The coverage of scattered showers and storms will increase over the weekend and next week. Much cooler. Check it out. What a trough coming out of the western states. That thing dropped a lot of snow across the Rocky Mountain states, especially Colorado, Wyoming, some spots with 3 feet. And then we had severe storms across the Great Plains yesterday and last night. Number of tornadoes touching down. That thing gradually shifting east. The good news, we don't expect any severe weather here on an organized basis over the next 5 days, despite that. That was a radar this morning coming out of St. Louis. Big storms approaching that city at 5 o'clock. But around here, it's just warm and it's muggy. It's 74 in Birmingham to start the day. And look at the dew points. Dew points are 70 at Anniston, upper 60s elsewhere. So again, it's going to be very humid today. But out west, it's cold. And they've got snow down. And next week here will be a breath of fresh air. Much, much cooler and lower humidity values as well. There's a watch warning map early this morning. Frost and freeze issues up north. Winter storm warning still for parts of Colorado and Wyoming. Flash flood watches for parts of the nation's heartland. But things are quiet down here in the southeastern states. Severe storms possible today from Texas over to the middle Atlantic coast. There is an enhanced risk of severe weather around Wichita Falls, Texas. Tomorrow, a risk of severe weather from Texas and Louisiana up to Chicago and Indianapolis. The northwestern tip of Alabama is clipped by a marginal risk, but again, we don't expect any organized severe weather. In day 3 Sunday, storms, yes, but severe weather, no. No risk is defined here. But boy, some pretty good rain. This looks good heading into summer. This is the rain for the next 7 days, suggesting rain amounts could exceed 3 inches in spots. So let's check it out. Model fans. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid later today at 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is at 500 millibars. Big trough in the western states. Down below that, a surface low developing over West Texas. Snow still falling across the Rocky Mountain states. And around here, a very humid air mass will reach the upper 80s today, and maybe a few scattered showers later. Now, this is the HER really not showing much. This is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon, so showers should be pretty isolated. But tomorrow, the ridge begins to weaken, and the GFS has been a bit more aggressive in the convection tomorrow. The surface low is approaching Des Moines. This is the high-res NAM valid tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock, so by tomorrow afternoon, we'll see a number of showers and storms developing. They'll be kind of random and scattered, but just be aware they'll be out there. And some could be strong. Look at the instability values. This is showing an instability peak here, a max CAPE of 5,000 joules per kilogram around Jackson, Mississippi. Now, this is getting into late May and June, July, August. You'll see these numbers almost every afternoon because it's so hot. But again, some of the storms could be strong, but organized severe weather not expected Saturday. This is storm relative helicity, and again, the wind fields are weak. So, again, organized severe weather, no. Sunday, surface front approaches, and again, we'll expect scattered to numerous showers and storms. And we stress a lot of things are happening outdoors this weekend. It's not going to rain all weekend long, but it's certainly going to rain at times, and there could be a strong storm. And the biggest issue, as always, with anything outdoors will be lightning. So just kind of pay attention to what's going on. But the good news, we'll get some probably pretty good rain amounts over the weekend. Now, Monday, the rain will be ending early in the day. The sky should gradually clear. We'll expect a high in the upper 70s as some of the cool air settles in here. But the clearing won't last long because here comes the next cold front with the upper trough. This is Tuesday. We'll probably start the day clear. Clouds will increase as the day progresses. And this is Tuesday night, just after midnight, a band of showers coming in here. Maybe some thunder, but again, no severe weather. And boy, look at Wednesday of next week. That is a whopper of a trough digging down through here. Down below that, Wednesday looks cloudy and cool, maybe some light rain. And parts of North Alabama could stay in the 60s all day. These are the anomalies, temperatures way below average for the eastern two-thirds of the country. Thursday, delightful. We're going to start the day, I think, in the 40s in many spots, and we could see some new record lows. The day will be sunny with a high 77 to 80. And a week from today, we still got troughing over the east and a very dry air mass and a very comfortable day. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday, May 28th. Still got troughing over the east. Looks like a surface front trying to drift in from the north. That might kick off a shower, but again, looks like mostly dry that weekend. Yeah, check out these numbers. We'll be up there, upper 80s to near 90 through Saturday, but Sunday and Monday, highs dropping in the upper 70s. And look at Thursday of next week. The GFS is spitting out a low of 44. And if we happen to hit that, that will be a new record low for Birmingham. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.